As you guys can see, this trade goes ahead and smashes take profit quite easily. Now, most of you have been sending me messages saying you are being stopped out. Sometimes you're entering the trend in the wrong direction using the one candlestick strategy and you're getting stopped out all the time. This video is going to help you to find good entries. Now, all I'm asking you is don't skip the video. Watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss the important information that I'm going to be sharing within the video. Now, with that being said, if you're here for the first time and you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, give a like on the video, and let's get started. So we are on the 4-hour chart of Euro USD. As you can see, this is a 4-hour chart. This is Euro USD. And we are going to use bar replay so that I can show you how you can improve on your win rate or improve on your strike rate when it comes to trading the one candlestick strategy. Now, this strategy will help you to get multiple entries at the same setup or using the same setup. If you miss a setup in the morning, you can get a setup in the afternoon, you can get a setup within the day. The one candlestick strategy allows you to be able to get setup throughout the day. All right, so don't worry about missing out on a trade and don't chase a trade that has already left you. Guys, if this content is bringing you value, please don't leave the video without leaving a like, subscribe to the channel, and also give me a comment down below. Also join the free Telegram using the link in the description and reach out to me on WhatsApp using only my contact that is in the description of this video, guys, if you have any inquiries. Okay, so this is a 4-hour chart, so you guys already know how to do the markings for the one candlestick strategy. For a bullish trend, you want to see that the market is in a bullish trend. The easiest way is to use a 20-period moving average. When the price is above the moving average, you know it is a bullish market, and when the price is below, you know it is a bearish market. So in this case, you see the market has crossed above the moving average, so we know that this is a bullish market at the moment on the 4-hour chart. So what you do on a bullish market, you only mark the bullish candles. Okay, you mark its close, okay, on top. You mark the close on top where you see the purple box. You mark the close and mark the low, okay, and mark its low. So that is the area I'll put this purple box right here. All right, this is on the 4-hour chart. So what you want to wait for is you want to wait for the market on the next candle that is going to open. You are going to trade the retracement of that candle when it comes back inside of the purple zone or near the purple zone and starts to give you candlestick confirmations for you to go long. The other thing is you wait for it on lower time frames to break below the moving average and break above the moving average for you to start getting your entries to go long. Okay, so we are going to go now to the lower time frame. Without making the video way too long, we'll go down to the 5-minute chart so that we can find entries using this strategy right here. Okay, so we can see that the same purple box is still here on the 5-minute chart, and at the moment the moving average is showing that the price is above it, meaning it is a bullish trend. But what do we do to get good confirmations for a trade? Wait for the market to pull back inside of this purple zone, okay, and below the moving average. Then the bullish candle that creates a move and closes above the moving average will be our entry. You're going to see in this example how you can get multiple entries within the day for the same 4-hour candle. Okay, so let's play along and we see how this would play out. All right, so you can see that the market has pulled down into the purple zone on the next 4-hour candle that you're trading. So you want to wait. That is the candle that breaks above the moving average. You can see the moving average is here and that candle is above the moving average. So that will be our first signal to take a trade. So we'll take our long trade right here. Okay, our stop loss is going to be below the most recent low, which is this area right here. Okay, and then we are going to target a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, 1-to-2, just like this. Okay, you can also look to your left and target previous highs, which can be this area right here. You can target this high right here as your take profit. Okay, so this is the first signal or first setup within the purple zone. So let's play out and see how this would work out. As you guys can see, this trade goes ahead and smashes take profit quite easily. Okay, so if you miss this, don't chase the trade, right? Wait for the market to come back to you. Wait for it to come back inside of the purple zone. For example, market has gone up here. Wait for it to come back inside of this purple zone and give you a break above the moving average for you to get another signal for you to continue buying. Okay, so let's see if we get another signal. Okay, so you can see the market goes up. We wait, be patient for it to come back down. Okay, so you see it's broken below the moving average and it has come back inside of the purple box. So what we're waiting for now is a break above the moving average for us to take a trade. Okay, wait, be patient, wait. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. Now it has really come down. Okay, now you see this is the candle that breaks and closes above the moving average after the market has pulled back again inside of the purple box. This candle closes above the moving average, so that would be our second entry. If we miss the first one, we'll take this one. Our stop loss is going to be just below this low right here, and we're going to target this previous high right here for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, if it doesn't reach 1-to-2 at that high, you can just adjust it to reach a 1-to-2 like that. Okay, so let's play out this and see if this is going to work out. Okay, we can see the market moves in our direction, bit of retracement. We hold the trade and then we'll see if it reaches take profit. As you can see, this trade goes ahead and gives us a take profit. So you can see that that would be our second setup or entry within the same setup. Okay, so if you continue to play this along, you'll see that this may come back again to the purple zone. Let's play this and we see what happens. Can we get a setup within the same day, within the same candle? Let's play this and we see. Okay, you can see that the candles bring back the market into the purple zone. So waiting for this moving average to come down and give us a break above, then we can be able to trade. Okay, wait. Okay, now here we get a break above the moving average. We could take this trade here. Okay, and then we use this one as the most recent low. This one here down, this one is the most recent low. This one would also be a low, but that one is a very tiny one. Okay, that would be very tight, so we'll use this one here. Okay, we'll use this one, so we'll target a 1-to-2 risk to reward in this trade. Okay, we can move this forward and we see if this can play out in our favor. Okay, so you can see market goes and stops us out on this one. You can see the spikes down and hits our stop loss. Losses are part of the game. Don't be worried, wait for the next one. Okay, let's play along still. Wait for the market to break above the moving average again, then we can take another trade. Okay, right there we get another setup on this candle. Hope you guys can see we get a setup on this bullish candle here, so we can take another long position right here. Can take another trade right here. Our stop loss is going to be below here because it's the significant low. Okay, so we'll put our stop loss right here and we're going to target a 1-to-2. Always look for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio in your trading. Don't just trade anyhow. Okay, try to look for at least a 1-to-2. So 1-to-2 would put us around here. Okay, so let's play out and we see if this plays out. Okay, let's play. So this goes up into profit. Let's see if it gives us profit. Comes back to draw down. Okay, let's see how this will play out. Emotions will be running hot here if you're not a patient trader. Okay, so you just hold that trade, wait for it to play out. Okay, hold it. Let's see if this plays out. Let's see if this plays out. Okay, let's see, does this play out? So let's first pull this forward and see if this really reached take profit. It barely reached take profit, almost reached take profit. Okay, so yeah, if you're managing this and trailing stops and what, you could still win this trade. But just let's play this out. Let's continue playing it and we'll see if it reaches right there. Can see it achieves take profit, full take profit. So guys, you've seen how you can get multiple entries. Like here we had 1, 2, 3, 4 entries on one setup. So you guys have been asking me how you can get multiple setups, and you've been complaining about how you're getting stopped out and all that. Please try to follow this procedure and you get multiple entries for a single setup. That will save you so much of the hard work of trying to look for trades where there are no trades, guys. If you've enjoyed this and you found some value with this content, guys, give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, share these videos, and also go join my free Telegram where I post some signals once in a while, guys. I also do have some announcements that I make on the Telegram channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Please join using the links in the description. And also, guys, if you want to join the VIP signals group, you can send me a WhatsApp using my WhatsApp number. Then we can arrange for you to make your payment and start receiving VIP signals to your inbox. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for sticking around till the end of the video. Remember to like the video and also watch this next video. It's a playlist for the one candlestick strategy and also a full course that you will benefit from. Thank you guys and see you in profits.